You
knocker.
You owe me $5.
Okay. I bet you the second or first car that passes will think I'm sexy. This car's going slow. They're a slow reader. Come on, faggot. Do you think I'm sexy, America? Comment. Oh shit, that's my neighbor.
Poppy.
That's my neighbor. Fuckhead. Dude, what the fuck? Come on, do you think I'm sexy?
I'm gonna shoot you. That nigga's like, is that a man or a girl? That Lady Gaga?
They didn't even look at the poster. Do I need to be in a fucking thong? Or should I stand in the middle of the street?
No, stand in the middle of the street.
I think I should stand in the middle of the street. Should I? Leave me comments.